प्रिय छात्राः, Namaste. Welcome to Class 7 Gujarat Board Chapter 7. Oh, what a coincidence! Class 7 and chapter number also 7. पाठस्य नाम अस्ति विश्वासः नैव कर्तव्यः. Do not trust. Yes, do not trust whom? Of course, strangers के ऊपर विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए. So, moral of the story is already written in the title, but let us go to the forest, to the Vanam, and have a look what's going on and why this statement is made by the mother goat to her offsprings. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते. मैं हूँ आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता. नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. हमारे साथ जुड़िए. प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आरंभं कुर्मः. एकं वनम् अस्ति. देयर इज अ फॉरेस्ट. वने एका अजा अस्ति. इन दिस फॉरेस्ट देयर इज अ गोट. I know a goat is a domestic animal, but right now she lives in the forest. Aja. Aja is the word for bakri and ajah meaning bakra. So male and female. Ajah, aja. Male and female goat. Sa swasyaha putram vadati. She says to her son, हे पुत्र, अहम बहिः गच्छामि. अहम बहिः गच्छामि. I am going outside. अहम शीघ्रम आगच्छामि. And I will be coming really very soon, very quick. अत्र एव तिष्ठतु. अत्र एव तिष्ठतु. Be here itself. Atra is here. Eva is only and only here. So don't move. Stay here only. यहीं पे आपको ठहरना है. मैं यूं गई और यूं आई. ऐसा किसने कहा? Mother goat to the son. The thing is that if we are saying sa for the aja, for the goat, means she is a female goat. So it won't be swasya. It would be swasyaha. The difference is only that the word given in the textbook is a male version. We have to write swasyaha, correct it to mean that it is a female thing. My own, swasyaha. Aja vanam gacchati. The goat goes to the forest. I know she is already in the forest, but still she goes deep inside the forest. Aja vanam gacchati. But he has been told to remain here. But now he is following his mother and going behind her. So, Shishuhu api, this child also, anusaranam karoti, is following her. Shishuhu api, anusaranam karoti. अब ये पीछा तो कर रहा है, but would he be able to pick up the speed at which his mother is going? No, right? So that's why it happened that he is now lost in the forest. Huge, dense forest, and now he is lost. कभी आपके साथ भी ऐसा हुआ है? जब पेरेंट्स, एल्डर्स, हम वेकेशन पे जाते हैं तब आपको खास कहते हैं कि मैं कुछ पानी का बॉटल लेके या कोई खाना लेकर यूं आई, आपको यहीं रहना है. और आप अपनी क्यूरियोसिटी में या फिर मस्ती में यहाँ वहाँ भागते हैं और फिर खो जाते हैं. यू फील लॉस्ट कि मुझे पेरेंट्स ने कहाँ बोला था, आई डोंट रिमेंबर इट. एंड देन यू आर सर्चिंग इन द होल यूनिवर्स कि मेरे पेरेंट्स कहाँ है. एंड देन यू फील सॉरी फॉर योर सेल्फ. बहुत सारे डेंजर्स होते हैं जिसकी वजह से एल्डर्स हमें रोक टोक करते हैं. एज अ चाइल्ड, एज अ शिशु, वी डोंट नो, बट पेरेंट्स एंड एल्डर्स आर हैविंग दीर्घ दृष्टि. So always believe what they are saying. Always follow their instructions. This is not just a story of some random goat and the son of goat. It's a story of how we should be following elders' instructions sincerely. So see, Now he is lost and there is danger right here. Shishuhu margam vismarati. Margam vismarati. Smarati to remember, vismarati to forget. Now he is lost. He has forgotten his marga, path. Ataha saha roditi. So that's why he is crying now. Okay, what will babies do? Babies will cry when they are lost. Even we adults still cry when we are lost in our path. So, which path I am talking? Life. Yes. So now, roditi, he is crying. Shrigalaha shishum pashyati. Fox is looking at this small baby. Saha sukomalam masam khaditum ichhati. He desires, he wishes that now I am going to eat some very soft flesh. वो उसका बहुत soft कोमल मांस खाना चाहता है. Danger. Shrigalah vadati. Now this fox is saying, Bhavan kaha kimartham roditi. Why are you crying? Who are you? Bhavan, who are you? Bhavan kaha. And why? Kimartham roditi. Why are you crying? So now the first step is not to attack him. The first step is he is acting smart. I should make friends with that Shishu and then slowly and slowly grab his attention towards me so that he can trust me, and then at a great opportunity I will eat him up. So all that is going on at the back. So now this Shishu is narrating everything what happened. Mata gacchati, aham anusaranam karomi, anantaram aham margam vismarami, idanim atah aham rodimi. He narrates everything. And then he understood the situation and the problem. Samasyam jnatva ati karunataya saha vadati. Karunataya. In your textbook there is a mistake. After ra, u should look like this. U will not go down. So please make a change and write it like this every time. Karunataya. With mercy, with sympathy. After gnatva, knowing the problem, he is acting full of pity, sympathy, and saying these words, Chinta mastu. Don't be worried. Aham matuhu samipam neshyami. Mata matuhu. I will take you to your mother. Maya saha chalatu. Come with me. Ya walk with me. Sa mama parichita asti. I know her. I acknowledge her. तो वो मुझे पहचानती है और मैं उन्हें पहचानता हूँ. So मैं आपको अच्छे से सेफली मम्मा के पास ले जाऊंगा. ऐसे स्ट्रेंजर्स भी आपको बोलते होंगे जब आप रास्ता भटक गए हो, तो आपको क्या करना चाहिए? उन स्ट्रेंजर्स का सुनना चाहिए या बी केयरफुल? आपके मम्मा ने आपको सीक्रेट कोड सिखाया होगा. मे बी आपको अपने पेरेंट्स का या गार्डियंस का फोन नंबर याद होगा. तो एक्ट स्मार्टली. रोना ठीक है, बट आफ्टर दैट स्टॉप क्राइंग एंड देन एक्ट स्मार्टली, बिकॉज नाउ यू हैव टू एक्ट वाइजली टू सेव योर सेल्फ, to save your life, your precious life that your parents has given you. Okay, so now, right now, what do you think? Will this Shishu, goat, trust this fox or run away? Let's find out. Oh wow, this Aja Shishu is acting wisely. The goat, baby goat says, Aham bhavantam na janami. I don't know you. Bhavantam, you. Na janami, don't know. I don't know you. Mama mata vadati yat. My mom says that aparichitena saha kutrapi na gamaniyam iti. Those who are aparichit, unknown to you, you should not go with them. Vanchakaha Shrigalah vadati. This cunning fox says, Mama vishaye ma chintayatu. Don't think about me. Pashyatu. तत्र एकः पीपलवृक्षः अस्ति. See, look there. There is one people tree. પીપળાનું ઝાડ છે ત્યાં જો. તત્ર ભવતઃ માતા અન્વિષયતિ. See, your mother is looking for you there near the people tree. So after listening to this, અજા શિશુઃ શ્રીગાલેન સહ ગચ્છતિ. This goat, baby goat, started following and started going with the fox. Now luckily, okay, we don't know whether he is saying the truth, whether the Aja is really, the goat is really there near the people tree, or just he is making up some story. See, I can look your mom. She is there waiting for you, finding you, searching for you. So hold my hand and come with me. Strangers can do this with you. So be cautious and be prepared. Let's see what's next. Luckily, fortunately, tasmin shane Aja agachati. At that time, the mother goat comes. Swaputreణ सह vanchakam shrigalam drishtva vadati. She says after looking at the fox. Which type of fox? Vanchakam shrigalam. Cruel, cunning fox. After looking at the cunning fox, she understood the situation. She says after looking at this cunning fox, with, Saha is with Swaputra, with her own son. She says, Hey Putra, Bhavan etena saha kutra gacchati. Kutra is where? Where are you going with this fox? Etena saha, with this fox. Where are you going? Now she is very worried. Asya vishwasah na karaniyah. You should not trust anyone. So after looking at the mother, this Shishu Aja is just running and going and clinging to the mother. Shishuhu matuhu samipam dhavati. This baby goat is running and going to the mother. Shishu mukhat gatanam shritva Aja krudhyati. Now this goat becomes furious, becomes angry after listening to the whole circumstances, the whole situations, the whole sets of events from Shishu Mukha, from the mouth, or as narrated by the baby. કે મમ્માને કહીએ કે મમ્મા આ થયું તું, આવી રીતે થયું તું, હું રોતો તો પછી આને આવું કીધું. The complete events were discussed. And after that, mother, what will mother do? Come on. Villain को मारेगी ना क्या? Mukka. Yes. Same thing happened here. Aja Shrigalam praharati. Aja Shrigalam praharati. With what? Not Mukka. With the sing. तो अपने हॉर्न से उसको अटैक किया, प्रहार किया. Now Shrigalah palayate. The fox now runs away. Because he actually is such a cunning little fellow. Do you want to know how little? I'll show you. This is Shrigalah, fox. Really a little fellow. And goats are heighted. Okay, so this is a small one. Goats are heighted. So if the Aja wants, she can just put on attacking, put on her horns on him, and that would be very painful for him. So he just ran away. Aja Shishum Vadati. Now this mother goat is saying the last advices. After whole incident, she says to the baby, Putra aparichitasya upari kadaapi vishwasah naiva karaniyah. If anybody is unknown to you, you should not trust them. Na maitri karaniya, na kutrapi gamaniyam. You should neither be friends with that person nor go with him. So these are the advices. Not to trust, don't do friendship with them, and never go with them anywhere. So these were the safety instructions given by a mother to the son. अगर आपके पेरेंट्स भी आपको कोई सेफ्टी गाइडेंस देते हैं, some precautions, some safety pin, I would like to know कि हम एक दूसरे को कौन सी आइडियाज से हेल्प कर सकते हैं. Maybe you can comment what are the safety tips, कैसे हम बड़े बुजुर्ग अपने बच्चों को सुरक्षित कर सकते हैं. Okay, I would like to know many ideas from you. So that's why the name of the chapter is Vishwasah Naiva Karaniyah. विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not trust whom? Of course, the stranger that is dealt in the story. Now let's go and see what's asked in the exercise. Pronounce each word thrice. Repeat after me. Swasya, swasya, swasya. Shigram, shigram, shigram. Tishtatu, tishtatu, tishtatu. Vismarati, vismarati, vismarati. To forget. Khaditum, for eating. Khaditum, khaditum. Again they have made the same mistake. Better you write ra and then u. U will be on the right hand side, not below. Karunataya, karunataya, karunataya. Maybe they would have wanted to write correctly, but because of some font setting or font problem, it seems like this, but that's not how it is supposed to be written. Let's move on to the next one. Neshyami, neshyami, neshyami. Vanchakaha. This nya sound will be like more like a na. Vanchakaha, vanchakaha. The people tree. Pipala vrikshaha, pipala vrikshaha, pipala vrikshaha. To find. Anvishyati, anvishyati, anvishyati. Shrigalena, shrigalena, shrigalena. Krudhyati, krudhyati, krudhyati. Answer the following questions in Sanskrit and then write them. Aja kutra gacchati. I have circled all the questions starting with ka. First question says, where is the goat going? Aja kutra gacchati. Aja vanam gacchati. To the forest. Kaha roditi. Who is crying? You can write either shishuhu or the complete aja shishuhu, meaning the baby goat. Aja shishuhu roditi. Shrigalaha aja shishum drishtva kim ichhati. After looking at the baby goat, what is the fox wanting? We can write this in this way. Shrigalaha aja shishum drishtva sukomalam masam khaditum ichhati. He wants to eat the very soft flesh. Kaha vanchakaha asti. Who is cunning? Shrigalaha vanchakaha asti. While we do handwritten Shri, it can be written either like this or this. Shrigalaha. Shishumuke ghatanam shrutva aja kim karoti. After listening to the all events of things that happened, what does the mother goat do? We'll repeat this again. Shishumuke ghatanam shrutva aja shrigalam praharati. We will not write karoti again because praharati is itself a verb. She hits the fox. Aja shishum kim vadati. What are the final words of advices of the mother to the child? So last complete paragraph you will write. Aja shishum vadati putra aparichitasya upari kadapi vishwasah naiva karaniyah na maitri karaniyam na kutrapi gamaniyam iti. It is very important at the end. Next is Vartayaha Shirshakam Kim. What is the title? आपको शीर्षक लिखना है and you know that. Vishwasah naiva kartavyah iti Vartayaha Shirshakam. Question number 3. Write the following words in Sanskrit. Cunning is Vanchakaha. People tree is Pippala vrikshaha. Goat is Aja. Quick is Shigram. Stronger word is not in the textbook this chapter, but if you want to write it, it could be Balavattaraha, it could be Balavattara for Aja, or neuter Balavattaram. Baliyasi is also a good option for this word. Running is Dhavati. To beat is Praharati. and to escape like the fox did is palayate. Arrange the following sentence in the order of the events. Let's first find out there are 6 sentences and whenever we are given this question, the simple thing is sentence को पढ़ो, जितना आप decode कर सकते हो उतना decode करो and then you underline or circle some keywords जो घटनाएं हुई. So let me read and understand with you what are the keywords. पुत्र अपरिचितस्य उपरि कदापि विश्वासः नैव कर्तव्यः. हमें अपरिचित अननोन के ऊपर कभी विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए. It's a dialogue. So I will say, okay, this is the last advice given by the mother to the son. So I'll just say last advice. So maybe last sentence हो सकता है, but not sure. Let's see ahead. अजा शिशुः श्रृगालेन सह गच्छति. Okay, this Shishu is going with the Shrugal. Okay, gachati. He is good. Putra aham bahihi gachami. So it can be starting because the mother is saying, okay, I am going outside. Shrigalah Shishum pashyati. This can be where the fox is actually seeing, okay, the Shishu. Chinta mastu aham matuhu parshve neshyami. Don't worry, I will take you towards your mata. So chinta mastu said by Shrigalah. Shishu mukhat gatanam shritva aja krudyati. So this could be the end where the mother found her son and now she is becoming angry. So in these 6 sentences, this is of course start. See, our predictions are so right. This is actually the starting sentence of our Ghatnakram. So I'll mark this ekam on both sides. This first sentence. After that, I know this is the last one. So I'll mark this 6th one. And I know before that, this thing is happening. That she becomes angry. Okay. Now I am left with 3 sentences. Aja Shishu Shrigalena Sah Gachati. But when will he go with the Shrigal? When he says this sentence. And when will this sentence be spoken? When Shrigalah sees. So this is our 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. Yes, we have done this. So kabhi upar se, kabhi niche se, but story aapko pata chal jayegi. Because you understand the sequence कि क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ. रट्टा नहीं मारना है, सोचना है. संस्कृत भाषा है, बहुत सारे इंडियन लैंग्वेज को मैच करती है. तुक्का मारना भी ऐसे ही नहीं मारना. स्मार्टली सोचो क्या मीनिंग हो सकता है. संस्कृत इज इक्विवेलेंट टू शुद्ध वर्जन ऑफ योर ओन लोकल लैंग्वेज. सो द इवेंट्स आर, मैं बाहर जा रही हूं ऐसा मम्मा कहती है. इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस द फॉक्स इज सीइंग द शिशु. इन द थर्ड वो बोल रहा है कि डोंट वरी, आई एम योर, चलो मेरे पास, हम जाते हैं मम्मा को ढूंढने. फोर्थ में ये दोनों साथ में जा रहे हैं. फिफ्थ में पूरी घटना सुन के माता को गुस्सा आया. और सिक्स्थ में वो फाइनल वर्ड्स ऑफ एडवाइस. इन दिस चैप्टर लास्ट पैराग्राफ जो मम्मा ने बेबी को एडवाइस दी उसमें कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स हैं. विश्वासः नैव करणीयः, अपरिचितेन सह कुत्रापि न गमनीयम्. तो ये जो वर्ड है करणीय और ये यहाँ पे मिस्टेक है, इट्स गमनीय. तो ये वर्ड्स में अनियर नाम का प्रत्यय है. अनियर प्रत्यय मीनिंग सफिक्स. जहां पे भी ये प्रत्यय ऐड होता है उसके 2 मीनिंग होते हैं. 1 करना चाहिए, जाना चाहिए, पढ़ना चाहिए, या फिर करने योग्य, पढ़ने योग्य, जाने योग्य. तो यहाँ पे योग्य अर्थ वाले सभी शब्द लिखे हैं. दर्शन, गमन, पठन, वंदन, पूजन, लेखन इत्यादि लिखे हैं. हमें सिर्फ पीछे इया लगाने से उसका मीनिंग हो जाएगा दर्शन करने योग्य, दर्शनीय, गमनीय, पठनीय, वंदनीय, पूजनीय, लेखनीय. कुछ सेंटेंस ऐसे बन सकते हैं. तीर्थ स्थानम दर्शनीयम, देखने योग्य तीर्थ स्थान है। दर्शनीय पर्वतः, दर्शन करने योग्य देखने योग्य पर्वत है। गमनीयम स्थानम, जाने योग्य, वर्दी टू गो देयर, वर्दी टू विजिट। पठनीयम पुस्तकम, पढ़ने जैसी बुक है। वंदनीयाः गुरवः, सभी गुरु वंदन करने योग्य है। पूजनीया देवी, पूजन करने योग्य देवी है। लेखनीयम पत्रम, लिखने जैसा पत्र है। Okay, in this next sentence we have to observe the sentence structure and follow that. आपको याद होगा हर एक सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट और वर्ब होता है, कर्ता, कर्म और क्रिया। यहाँ पे क्रिया इच्छति सेम रखा हुआ है। There are different subject to the sentence and करने के लिए वहाँ पे एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सफिक्स यूज किया है जिसका नाम है तुमुन प्रत्यय। No need to remember the name, but you should be understanding the concept. The concept is जहाँ पे भी ये suffix लगता है end में you have to add तुम, हिंदी वाला तुम नहीं, this is half म, तुम, और उसका मीनिंग हो जाता है to do और for doing, करने के लिए। For example, पठ, पठ to read, पठ के पीछे तुम लगाने से पहले बीच में कुछ ऐड होता है ई, पठितुम, पढ़ने के लिए, टू स्टडी, फॉर स्टडिंग, हुआ ना, ये इसके मीनिंग्स और ये तुम। अब करना ये है, ऑब्जेक्ट जैसे कि हमने क्लास 6 में सीखा है, एक माँ की बिंदी लगाने से ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाता है। बालः रोटिकाम इच्छति, द चाइल्ड इज आस्किंग और विशिंग फॉर अ चपाती, बट राइट नाउ I will not say khada, I will be saying khaditum ichhati. By adding this tum pratyay, tum suffix, the meaning will change into the boy wants to eat the chapati. To eat. For eating, he is wishing for eating the chapati. Let's try. What will be the next sentence? Chhatra patham pathitum ichhati. छात्र पाठ पढ़ना चाहती है। शिक्षकः कथां कथयितुम् इच्छति, टीचर wants to say the कथा, the story. सरला a name of a girl, सरला क्रीडां क्रीडितुम् इच्छति, सरला क्रीडा खेलना चाहती है। प्रणवः चित्रं रचयितुम् इच्छति, प्रणव नाम का लड़का है, वो चित्र ड्रॉ करना चाहता है, रचना करना चाहता है। तो ये थे तुम, जो भी मेन है रूट्स उसके पीछे तुम लगाना है, जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट है उसके पीछे माँ। डू यू नो इन संस्कृत वन इज कॉल्ड एक, बट उसके 3 वेरिएशन है बेस्ड ऑन पुल्लिंग, स्त्रीलिंग, नपुंसकलिंग। इफ यू आर यूजिंग वन फॉर अ बॉय इट विल बी एकः बालकः, फॉर गर्ल एका बालिका, फॉर न्यूटर जेंडर एकम पुस्तकम। तो वर्ड है एक, पर पीछे लगता है विसर्ग आ और म। इसी तरह से आपको फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में अप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड फिल करना है, और पुल्लिंग के साथ नपुंसकलिंग और स्त्रीलिंग के साथ पुल्लिंग मत कर देना। बी केयरफुल, पुल्लिंग के साथ पुल्लिंग। याद करते हैं कि एक हम कहाँ कहाँ लिख सकते हैं। एकः अश्वः, बालकः, दैट्स इट। सिर्फ 2 है जिसका एक वर्ड होगा। अब मैं एका वर्ड जहां यूज करना है उसके लिए डबल अंडरलाइन यूज करती हूं। तो एका स्त्रीलिंग वर्ड, बाला स्त्रीलिंग, ओके लेट्स डू इट हियर। एका बाला, मंदिरम शाला चित्रम, ओके शाला, शाला डबल अंडरलाइन। नेक्स्ट इज एकम फॉर न्यूटर जेंडर, लेट मी डू अ बॉक्स शेप, और वो बॉक्स शेप नपुंसकलिंग के लिए कहाँ यूज करेंगे, मंदिरम चित्रम। कितना सिंपल था। मीनिंग क्या है, मीनिंग सभी में वन एक ही है, पर संस्कृत में लिंग अनुसार हम उसको चेंज करते हैं। दिस इज कॉल्ड विशेषण। आपने RRR मूवी का दोस्ती सॉन्ग तो सुना ही होगा। वी हैव कवर्ड द कंप्लीट एपिसोड इन डिटेल इन द सिंप्लीफाइड संस्कृत ग्रामर सीरीज, सो डू वॉच दैट। एकः अश्वः धावति, वन हॉर्स इज रनिंग। एकः बालकः क्रीडति, वन बॉय इज प्लेइंग। एका बाला पठति, one girl is studying. एकम मंदिरम अस्ति, there is one temple. एका शाला अस्ति, there is one school. एकम चित्रम पश्यामि, aham ekam chitram pashyami. I am looking at one single picture. So this was our chapter. I hope you enjoyed it thoroughly. Don't forget to join support system group. I am here to solve all your doubts live, face to face. So please join the link in the description box. Keep learning, have fun. Dhanyavadah, punarmilamaha. Do some paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadah.